Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating a GA4 property and data stream so you have a measurement ID. Once done, copy the G code into a secure and variable like nextPublic GA ID. Make sure you're next. JS project has a modern dependency set, node and npm/yarn up to date, so tracking scripts load reliably. Next, install any analytics helper library or plan to use the native gtag snippet inside app.js or app/layout, which we'll configure in the next step. Now integrate gtag directly into your Next.js app. You'll place the script tag into app/head or a custom document to ensure it's present on every page. This loads the analytics library early. Then initialize window. Data layer and call gtag config process env. nextPublic gar ID so GA knows your property. Because Next.js is single page. Add a route change complete listener to trigger a gtag page view on client navigation. This ensures finish by verifying data reaches Google Analytics using the debug view and browser network tools to see gtag hits and the measurement ID. Then deploy with environment variables configured for production and confirm the live site reports traffic. If you don't see data, first check browser ad blockers or privacy settings, then inspect console for script errors and ensure nextPublic GAID is exposed to the client. If problems persist, retry the gtag snippet placement and route change listener to restore accurate tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.